Mother Nature is always calling you. Whenever I entered in a wood, I came out taller than trees. Whenever I climbed on any mountain, I found heights in my life. Mother Nature is calling you. These all birds are chirping, sunshine, and these flowers are blooming. In every flower you will find a soul. Flowers are calling you. A vast sky and the flying birds. Whenever I saw in sky, I found I dissolved in that vastness, boundless. Stars are calling you. What happened to you? Why laptop, TV screen, mobile screen? They all have been a part of your life 24/7. Just come on. Come. Life is calling you. Soul is thirsty. Something is missing. No need to go to any master. The best master is nature. Enter in nature. Be a disciple and see a complete transformation. Contentment of your soul. Go for a brisk walk. Sit under a tree. Have a song with running water. Flow with river. The nature is the ultimate stress reduction dimension. In this dimension only, you will overcome from your all depression, all anxiety, all stress. Just try nature once. Mother Earth is calling you.